Hello friends, welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. So it is actually almost 2 p.m. and I'm just starting the vlog now. I totally forgot that I was going to vlog today. I just, started work and here we are. That just means that you didn't miss a single thing, that is for sure. I've just been sitting here on the couch, sleeping on the couch currently since Connor has the Rona.
I miss you.
I miss you too. Anyway, I just want to make some lunch now. I think I'm just going to make a salad, something like that. Something quick and easy. And then I am hopping onto this seminar that actually starts in like 15 minutes, but it's literally just me listening in so I can make lunch while I do that. Okay, working on a salad here, just cutting up my lettuce. Sorry, washing machine's going. We're, Molly. We're washing Connor's sheets because, just trying to keep it as germ-free as possible in there. I'm gonna do some green onion. Gonna use the rest of this corn that I have in here. Okay, corn. Cucumber going in. Avocado. I have a quarter of an avocado left here. But you know what I forgot to put in there actually is the onion. That should be plenty. I just slice them so that they're in like longer pieces like this. Olive oil. Lemon juice, salt and pepper, whisk it up, pour it on. The best part, obviously, the cheese. I love this feta that we got, this tomato and basil. Simple, quick salad, really nothing special. Well, this day is just flying by, you guys. It's one of those days where 5 p.m. came so quick, and I know I was working all day, and I know that I was productive, but I have no idea what I did. Not a clue. Like, literally could not tell you. But I'm pretty sure it was a productive day. Probably not as productive as it could have been, though, if I can't actually tell you what I did. Definitely going to get some more work in today, but I am doing a workout. If you missed it, I don't know because I've talked about it in so many videos recently, but I'm doing a January reset with my favorite workout fitness coach, Kaya Dalbora. She is doing this January reset thing, which is like 10 days long or something. And I keep saying that, but I actually don't know how long it is. I'm just gonna do it until it stops, I guess. I'm pretty sure it's 10 days though. And I almost never get to do her classes live because they are typically at 7 a.m., which is just not, I can't do that. It's not for me. I am not a morning person like that. Even my morning workouts that I've been like doing more recently have been more like 10 or 11 a.m. workouts. I cannot drag my ass out of bed at 6:45 to get a workout in at 7 a.m. It's just not, it's not for me. But twice throughout the program there are 5 p.m. classes, so I wanted to do those two live just because it's fun to join the live class and be able to get like feedback corrections from Kaya as I'm going. I feel like I know a lot of her corrections that she gives me, so they sort of run through my head while I'm working out anyway. I find myself implementing them myself, getting my shoulders out of my ears or like chin out of my chest during ab stuff. And so anyway, I feel like I sort of know, but it's still nice to do it live and get those corrections live. So very excited for our live class today. It's gonna be a 45-minute strength flow. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Cat, that is mine. Get your little paws out of there. That is mine. Post-workout, post-shower, it is now 6:41 p.m. I have a little bit more work that I want to get done today just because, like I said, I have no clue what happened with my day here. Really got away from me. And then we're gonna make some dinner. But first I wanted to show you this package that I just showed you Molly in because it's from one of my favorite brands, Hero. I'm sure you guys are familiar with the Mighty Patch. This is like the best acne patches. I absolutely adore these. And it's good timing because I got this little zip popping up here that I want to throw a patch on. I don't know if you guys remember, but like right here last week I had some acne popping up and sleeping with a patch on overnight, or maybe I had it on during the day, I can't remember. Anyway, a couple hours with the patch on and it like flattened right out. By the next day it was even flatter. As you can see, there's still like a little mark there, but it's completely flat to my skin, so when I do like makeup and stuff, can't even tell. And they just come in little pouches like this. Up close and personal, sorry. Okay, there we go. They also sent through this lightning wand, dark spot brightening serum, which actually could come in handy for this little guy over here, like I was just saying. So rollerball serum. Ooh, that sounds lovely. Let's just like, oh yeah, I see it releasing the serum. Okay, here we go. Get it on you, get it on you. This little spot. I have dark spots in a lot of places from like previous acne breakouts. Honestly, just all along here is all dark spots. Actually, you guys, I wanted to talk to you because I forgot a main goal that I wanted to achieve for this year. I had been thinking about it, like in particular, all through like November and December. And then for some reason, when I was actually writing down my goals and sharing them with you guys, I totally forgot about this. One of my main goals is to just try to be more of myself on my YouTube channel. So to elaborate, I obviously am pretty myself online. I feel like I'm pretty authentic. Like I'm not changing who I am when I'm, you know, posting online on any of my social networks. But that being said, Molly, I'm trying to have a serious conversation here and you're just playing in the curtains. Let me focus. I've been having so much trouble focusing today. What I do find myself doing sometimes though, that I want to stop doing, is editing out some of my weirder moments. I'm a pretty like weird gal. I'm pretty weird. I do a lot of weird things. I would say I am most comparable to like Jess from New Girl in seasons 1 and 2, where she just sings a lot. Connor always laughs at me because I literally like fall over sometimes when I'm just like standing still, just standing, and I'll just fall over. I do a lot of like weird singing, random little like songs. I don't know, like there are just some weird moments that I have that when I'm editing the video back, I'm like, oh, it's so weird. Like, let me get rid of this. But I'm gonna try to do less of that this year. I just want to like keep some of my weirder moments in that I happen to capture, because I capture a lot of them, but they just end up not making the final cut. Madam. That's my finger. So there you go. Just thought I would share that with you guys if you start noticing some weirder stuff going on in the vlogs. That's why. It's because it's on purpose and we're not editing it out anymore. I'm gonna get into an hour more of work and then we will make dinner. All right, we got sushi going, and tonight's viewing pleasures are going to be Euphoria and This Is Us. Hi friends, it is a few days later now. I know I left you hanging in sort of a random spot, I don't know, I can't even remember the last clip that I took, to be honest. Tried to continue the vlog a bit yesterday, but honestly, I was just so out of it yesterday. I had such bad brain fog. I couldn't get anything done. I couldn't focus on a task for very long. And I was just like really, really struggling with it. And then that just turned into like, I don't know, I was just feeling sad yesterday for some reason. Just one of those days. Everyone has them. Bound to happen. But with that, I just decided, you know what, I'm not going to vlog today. It's not going to be interesting or fun. It's just going to be me feeling a little bit down anyway. And so I just sort of took a step back. We're going to delete those clips, not even watch them back, and re-pick up the vlog today. So hello, welcome back. It's actually almost 2 p.m. already. Feeling a lot better today. The brain fog is still a little bit there. So since I'm feeling a little bit better today, I'm focusing a little bit more on tasks at hand. I thought today would be sort of a good day to maybe show you how I reset after a sort of shitty day. There are a couple things that I like to do. Actually, yesterday while I was in it, I just tried to, one, remind myself that days like this just happen. There doesn't always have to be a reason. Two, obviously, brain fog is a known after effect of COVID. A lot of people who have had COVID experience brain fog, so I tried to remind myself that as well. And also just tried to take count of like what has been going on this week that could be triggering me. One, I've been sleeping on the couch because of Connor's situation, so that probably has something to do with it. It hasn't been the best sleeps. Two, I've been working from the couch. I should not have been doing that this whole week, but here I am still doing it today. We're gonna reset on Monday because that is just harder for me to focus when I'm not in my office, sort of in the zone. I've been working out and eating healthy, so I don't really think that that is part of it. But I do think maybe just like being stuck alone a lot this week definitely could have something to do with it too. I'm used to obviously spending a lot of time with Connor every day, as well as going out, seeing friends, blah, 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 whatever. So just try to remind myself that there's a couple weird things that have been happening this week, a couple factors, and also that days like this happen. There doesn't always have to be a reason or a perfect solution or anything like that. But as I said, we are getting back on track today. Yes, we are. And we're gonna start with some lunch. I think I'm going to make that kale salad again that I made earlier this week because I was just editing the vlog where I made that and it sounds very good. Totally taking back that I said I was going to make that kale salad again because I forgot there was something else that I wanted to make for lunch today that I've been wanting to show you guys me making. So that is this little poke bowl situation that I have been making lately with some imitation crab meat. Also going to use cucumber, some green onion. We have this edamame. So here's the deal. Take your imitation crab meat and I'm gonna move you guys down a little bit so you can see. This is all I have, so this is what we're working with here. I just break apart the pieces because they're sort of lumped. Mollycat. And what I do is just cut them into really small pieces. Exactly. Good Molly impression, babe. Once you have all of that shredded, you're gonna throw it into a bowl. I would usually use a slightly bigger one, but it's in the wash, so that's fine. Then we're going to grab some QP mayo, right in like so, and a little bit of sriracha, and give her a mix to make some like spicy, creamy corn. And then the rest of this is like pretty self-explanatory. You can pretty much put in anything you want. And now we assemble. So our rice goes in. Throwing just a little bit of rice vinegar onto my rice. Our crab goes in. Get some edamame in there. And then the cucumber. You can just sprinkle the onion on top. And then some of the green onion, but I'm gonna keep some of it off. And now I'm going to do soy sauce, especially just like over top of the other veggies, and then I'll do a little bit on top of the crab, but not too much. And then sriracha. Gonna get the rest of my green onion on top of there now. And lastly, some sushi rice seasoning. And look at that, a delicious at-home poke bowl. It's gonna be so good and surprisingly filling. 4:30 p.m. and I just wrapped up work, so I'm going to get a workout in now. Definitely a key part of me like trying to get my mindset back in place is moving my body, making sure I'm like getting active because that always really does make me feel better. I'm still doing that January reset with Kaya. I didn't do class yesterday because I was just feeling down. I was not feeling like doing that. Probably would have made me feel better, but here we are. And then the class that actually happened today was a HIIT, only 30 minutes, so I'll probably do that tomorrow for my Saturday workout.
Come to a neutral position with your legs, walk your hands out, fold over into your plank hold here for 10. In towards your nose and extend it long. 8. Nudge in. Last one. And rock side to side.
All right, it's gonna be a CATAN night tonight and we are excited. No better way to spend a Friday, and yet another way that I like to boost my mood when I was having a bad day. Spending some time with friends, playing a game, just doing something you love with some people who you like does the trick. So we are going to be hopping on a FaceTime with Tara, of course. Who else would we be playing CATAN with? Tara is the only one who hasn't won CATAN recently, so she has a lot to prove tonight.
Big loser.
Big loser. That's what everyone says about Tara. Yeah. Big loser.
Nice house, big loser.
Oh, you have 2 of them? Ugh, loser.
Check out my apartment and I win CATAN. Recently.
Tara's gonna get a kick out of that. Yeah, recently, as if she's never won.
Yeah, right?
She's won so many times. This bitch. Too good for her own good. Oh, here she is. But it's also Friday, which means that we get to have some wine. We have not been drinking during the week, during January, as like our fake dry January, so I'm very excited for some wine. Hello!
Hello, hello,
How are you?
Bye.